Etiefo memamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Na many abo article bi so. Say celebrities bars for Enetro article, no, one of the top entertainment websites in the country. Ghana Web Phone so akasa about the article. Now I just want us to have a read through. Let's go through the article and see. Now was say God will kill Kennedy Japan soon if he doesn't stop harassing men of God. Bishop Obinim. Asemwa ye kanse Obinim osie no say Kennedy Japan nyankopon ebekuno because Kennedy Japan what it asofo wo manwe mu. Let's read the article. Bibia e was say metrasie na metrasie na yenhwe de Obinim wo kan yepote atre say Ghana Web and celebrity bars for one the article we abey. So as you can see right in front of you, I say Bishop Obinim has said that member of parliament Kennedy Japan would be killed soon by God if he doesn't stop harassing innocent men of God. Speaking on OBTV, the founder and leader of the International Gospel Church said Kennedy Japan's life would be cut short if he doesn't stop his agenda of embarrassing innocent men of God in exposing them. Now, was it Angel Obinim remarked that he saw this in a revelation. Not just say Obinim dear Ngrafone can and say Obinim akwa wo OBTV, which is one of the TV stations for Obinim and one of the TV stations of Obinim no. Obinim akwa kan ewo sa TV station ho say Nyankopon eyatre wo no Obinim say Kennedy Japan ensem a wo ye a wo exposing sofo ewo Ghana ha say no. Nyankopon be kun eye Kennedy Japan asemo a Obinim eka no na asemo ya Obinim eka nia no menso metre ma adwen so. But this is what Obinim is saying now, and this is what Ghana Web and celebrities bars are reporting say Obinim aka ewo OBTV. Now let's go to the actual quotation I can say Obinim ede atudwa no. Or say he said, I had a revelation last night, and in the revelation, God told me to warn and additionally advise Kennedy Japan to turn from his wicked ways, as well as end his expose on innocent pastors. Obinim say, Nyankopon yi adie tre no. Na Nyankopon yi tre no, Nyankopon ka tre wonu Obinim say one country Kennedy Japan. Say Kennedy Japan no, sebe etirimo densen bia wo ye no wonjai na expose ya wo say wo expose innocent pastors no so wonjai enye sa wo no Kennedy Japan no wo bewu asemu a wo binim eka no said the Nyankopon eyi atre no. Na I have few questions me pese me bisa na utie me na o support you obinim a obetumi answer me anka me ni beje pan. 1 Nyankopon pese obinim o kan sa asem no etre Kennedy Japan na tre say Nyankopon epese Kennedy Japan satra enye sa ono Nyankopon no be kum Kennedy Japan cool. Ba Nyankopon nim say wo bi nim no Kennedy Japan enji wundi. Nyankopon nim say asem bia wo bi nim wo be ka no Kennedy Japan won jindi. So why would God pass the message through you obinim? It's a very simple question I maybe sao. Ati say 1 Say Nyankopon and they just say obi na wo pese o tre me say Nyankopon na wo pese wo kun Kennedy Japan. O pese o tre me say Nyankopon na wo pese Kennedy Japan no montie say futuo no. Because wo obi nim kra wonim say wo na wo kan sa asem ne nko ande a Kennedy Japan won't tie because he doesn't trust you. He has this strong conviction say you are a false prophet. He has this strong conviction say we are azansofo. Inti wa Nyankopon nim say Kennedy Japan nim say wo ya azansofo no. Say Nyankopon e de asem we nam so a. Nyankopon nankasa nim say Kennedy Japan won't tie because it is coming from you. And then Nyankopon sebe sa da ye one fansu obi a wo ben wo no Kennedy Japan no a wo obi nim e na Nyankopon e de somwo. Na trese still Nyankopon wo pese wo kum. Me nim say de make no moti ase de a. Na trese Nyankopon pese wo kum Kennedy Japan because once it is coming from you, rest assured 100% say Kennedy Japan will not listen. 2, say Nyankopon pese wo kun Kennedy Japan a anka me sure say nanka we kun ne dada. Hwe eya nkrofo aka ena Nyankopon yese me insemi wo ho a won eya na won asemwa one thing about I am a Christian, but one thing about Christosomness aware mempe, and even God knows it is me personally. One thing I mempe and they say ye di Christosom bon crofo. Say ye di Christosom and that won't in crofo bebre papa wo mo ye no ebia emfi o makomemu, but the fear of them going to hell. Incha wo mo ya sa papa na wo ya sa de no so a I don't think say if you wakumem. Personally, I feel say Nyankopon wo hwa akoma. Eno wonti na wo bi wo ho a wo nkwa asori, na so still the person might end up in heaven. Munti de make no because Nyankopon hwe akomem. Onim say oh nipa kui na koma ye ebia ewiase a wo bae no circumstances bi na man nipa ko no yes some mistakes bi atrese wo kodi boni bi but na koma eye good. That's what personally I believe. Sa die we ya eya nsofo ka ende wo obekọ bonsamjem wanye we ya obekọ bonsamjem ama nkrofo asebe wo mo akomemu wo mo mpese wo mo beye sa ade no kra no they are doing it by force. Mimi hu ne se wo force na ni wakomemu a Nyankopon wonje. Sa ade na ye de Nyankopon din ene asowe din enhwehwa nkrofo no we have to stop. Because I have told you, God knows. So we will be him, who babontin because I same way Kennedy Japan will not believe. So why will God pass the message through you? It is a very simple question. Me nim say they make an what you has here there. It a question where I mean a simple. Nyankopon nim say will be men trust say nipa kro no. Asemwa nipa ko ne beka bia no mimi hu nipa ko ne se wo twa ntro. That's me personally. Nipa ko ne ye de enkra na mimi hu ne se wo twa ntro. Na Nyankopon akwa ka me ho asem atre nipa ne se nipa ne beka ntre me. Na tre se indirectly no Nyankopon ne kra no on pese me asemwa nipa ko ne ka tre on pese meye. Because Nyankopon ni makume mu say I don't trust that person. So why will God use that person as a vessel to pass a message to me? That means indirectly, God doesn't want me to listen to that advice because God knows. God knows me. And God knows says I didn't if you never know about me. It is still Nyankopon kwa catch say nipa kuno say won be country me a. And they just say indirectly Nyankopon can say ane me de mekum. Because when him say me ntie say nipa kro no. Nyansafo na me ne obi akasa o. Badwemba ena asema me kan wo mo beti ase. Enti asema wo bi ni mo kani. Na misusu se recently in someone atototo Kennedy Japan ti na wo bi ni mo ba abonti abekasa asem we. I have told you Kennedy Japan nya coronavirus. Onya coronavirus no wenwu. Ati ase. Kennedy Japan you say obi metro mass driver bi the car no eko twi Kennedy Japan car so the twi no so the pim no and also Kennedy Japan oguso a etiase na me susu se san nyama we e na ma wo bi ni mo ba abonti abeka sa asem we. Personally that's what I believe. Say me ye de Nyankopon say o man Ghana ha say Nyankopon say wo behu say na nsofo ene nkrofo yere eda because of Nyankopon say. But think how will a married woman open her legs for a pastor if it is not about the na America ho asem no? Asofo bi e the Christianity e bon nkrofo hu. And they say and we are not allowing people to live to to live to the fulfillment of their lives. We are not allowing people to live fully their lives. because ye die hu ahye nkrofo mu. Hey, let me tell you something. Madam Fubi, where you suffer, as someone they be a worker and they say, what's it her? Say, menewo, kasa. Na me catch her say, me phone, da hasi, memfa. So, what respect me, won't fa phone no. But obi a wo suro me, won't respect me no. Obi wo ho there is respect. Obi kasa wo betie de nipa kone ka no. Nti no even if the person is not around, sa phone no won fa ne sanko kan. Obi wo ho nso a enye respect no eye fear ene wo ho. Not just say the person doesn't really respect you, but the person is just afraid. Nti no so wo around her nipa kone won fa ne sanka phone no. But immediately you leave, nipa kone de ne nsa beka phone no just because the person is afraid, but the person doesn't respect you. And that Ghana Christosum baby a yede akodu no yamfa amfa respect level yede akofa fear. And so what mo bi enya de osofo bi kase mo bi enya de a it is out of fear but it is not out of respect. Nipa ko ne suro say eh ade mi nya yanka meyo be san say bibi say ya tell me say bibi say techi no enti menye. But where we need to get to is to use respect to the extent say even if we suffer the who near around krana, the person will not do it. So personally, as same way I will be in me kan there. Ono no say Nyankopon na kasa. I mean, personally, I don't believe it. But if you believe it, shall I join our comment box anymore? Me da say.